Blood. It's the red juice keeping you alive, and you probably never think about it. But for some people, their blood is so ridiculously rare that scientists call it golden blood. No, it doesn't give you Superman powers. It's more like the ultimate support role. The scientific name is Rarest null. Basically, it lacks all R antigens, meaning it can be given to almost anyone with rare blood types. They are like a human fountain of life! If a hospital runs out of rare blood, a golden blood carrier can spawn in like a hero!
But there's a catch. If they get hurt, finding blood for them is a nightmare. Wrong transfer, instant death.
And guess how many people have it? Millions? Thousands? Nope. Only about 40 to 50 people in the entire world. Imagine carrying a liquid gold mine in your veins that could also accidentally delete you. This is why some carriers have to store their own blood in special banks just in case. It's a walking jackpot and a curse. Next up, super muscle mutation. Usually, getting buff requires hitting the gym and eating dry chicken for years. But some people skip the grind thanks to a genetic glitch. It is called myostatin deficiency. Myostatin is a protein that acts like a buzzkill boss, telling your body, okay bro, that's enough muscle, stop. But when this gene breaks, your body just goes full power mode. Babies born with this look like mini pit bulls with zero body fat and insane strength. I don't even put oil in my chicken rice just to lose 1% fat. And these toddlers are out here looking like Captain America without lifting a single rattle. It happens to animals too, like those demonic-looking Belgian blue cattle. It makes you think. Our brains are actively nerfing our true strength. If only we had an open-world console menu to tweak our stats. But hey, I'm just rambling. Ever listened to a song and started seeing colors? Or heard someone talk and their words looked like a neon rainbow? That's not a sci-fi movie, it's synesthesia. It's a neurological crossover where the brain mixes up its senses. Instead of processing sight and sound separately, the wires get crossed. A sound triggers a color, or a letter tastes like strawberries. And the wildest part? They think this is completely normal. Imagine a kid in math class telling the teacher, hey, why did you write the number 5 in red? Everyone knows 5 is green. It makes them absolute Einsteins in creativity and music. Honestly, seeing sounds just sounds like an incredibly fun vibe. I wish I had it.
Of course, sometimes misunderstandings can arise during lessons. In fact, many famous musicians and artists share this situation.
Then we have the human compass syndrome. Many animals use Earth's magnetic field to navigate. Birds, sea turtles, sharks, they all have a built-in GPS. But can humans do it? Some studies suggest our brains react to magnetic fields, but yesterday I visited my friend on the 7th floor, walked out, and confidently tried to walk the stairs to leave. Where are you going, idiot? Downstairs! So yeah, my internal compass is broken. Scientists tested this by locking people in isolated rooms and changing artificial magnetic fields using electromagnets. And guess what? Brainwaves actually reacted. It's a dormant superpower left behind by our ancient caveman ancestors who didn't have Google Maps. They used it to survive in nature, but over time, we just completely ruined it. Kinda cool, right?
You've probably heard of this one, foreign accent syndrome. A guy gets a massive bonk on the head, knocks out, and wakes up in a hospital 2 days later sounding like he's from a completely different country.
Where am I?
Take a real case. A woman had a clumsy accident, bumped her head, and woke up sounding completely Russian. The news media went absolutely wild, just a minor speech rhythm glitch, one of the dramatic headlines. Besides, if my accent randomly changed, how would I even narrate these videos? It would be so weird and my YouTube career would probably just end instantly. Finally, hyperthymesia. Imagine sitting on your couch and your brain suddenly triggers a clear memory of you making a massive fool of yourself in kindergarten. People with this can hit the delete button. Sure, it sounds like a superpower, but it's a curse. Your brain needs to blur out old, awkward childhood mistakes. But for them, it feels like it happened 5 minutes ago. So please, universe, if you are listening, just give me actual superpowers instead. No weird glitches, no weird brain glitches, just the webs. See ya!